Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by inspecting the profile itself. Some users list a phone under contact or in their bio, so tap those first. Once done, look at mutual friends, message one and ask politely for a number because direct consent is fastest. Next, sync your phone contacts to Instagram in settings. This reveals linked accounts quickly and safely. Make sure to allow only the needed permissions. This protects your privacy while helping you discover any associated phone number that the user has chosen to share. Once initial checks are done, pivot to connections. Inspect any linked Facebook page or Instagram professional tools for a business phone listed under contact info. If you legitimately manage the account, use Instagram's account recovery flow to view recovery phone options. This verifies ownership and reveals numbers responsibly. Also, scan recent posts, story highlights, or contact cards. People sometimes share phone numbers there. Keep a consent-first mindset. Only proceed with methods you are authorized to use. To finish, verify any discovered number with a quick call or polite text so you confirm accuracy and consent. If your search comes up empty, message the person directly and ask for their number, or obtain written permission to access account recovery options if appropriate. Troubleshooting. Confirm your contact sync is enabled, review app permissions, and update Instagram. If you still can't find the number and you have legitimate need, contact Instagram support or follow official legal channels. Avoid guessing or using invasive third-party services.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.